Big news for SEI as the SEC is officially reviewing ETF fillings from Canary. What does that mean though? Well, it's recognition. SEI is now in the same regulatory conversation as Bitcoin and Ethereum. For approval, it has to show strength, solid tech, strong foundation, fair tokenomics, and that US investors can be safely exposed. If this ETF goes through, it opens the door for everyday Americans to buy SEI directly on the stock market. So the bottom line is that this review is a big step towards legitimacy and mainstream exposure for. Of course, so this is my research. Do your own. And for more things crypto, give me a follow.